Hey friends, if you wish to fix application error 0xc0000906 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to disable the antivirus. And how will you do that? So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps. Okay, we'll come here again. Now for now, if you find any third party antivirus here, click on the three dots associated with it and select uninstall and uninstall once again. This done, we will also have to reinstall the software which was problematic. Let's say it was ShareX. So click on the three dots associated with it, select uninstall and uninstall once again. Let it be uninstalled, and then you can go to Store, Microsoft Store, and then go here, and then you can search for ShareX and hit enter, and go to ShareX and then install it. So this is how you can fix it. But here's one thing. People may ask, why are we disabling a third-party antivirus only? Why aren't we uninstalling Windows Defender or Windows Security? Because that's not required. Those are not as overprotective as third-party antivirus software systems. The whole process is very different for both of them. Their way of identifying viruses is very different. And lastly, if everything else, try a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to recovery and go to open system restore and then go to next. Wait, this has been installed. Go to next, choose a go to store point, next, finish, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.